Welcome to my Ipsy unboxing where it's $10 a month with free shipping. Please like and subscribe and give it a smashing thumbs up. Let's get started. Today's first one is an Ipsy, which is hashtag XOXOIpsy. This is for the month of February. Swoon so hard. There's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip for more on these. Let's introduce you to the next Beauty Crush Ipsy add-ons. Let's get started. The first thing it gave was this bag that has a nice pink zipper. It's light pink. It has all this lipsticks all over it of people who smushed their lips or whatever the design. And let's see what's inside. Let's see what we got. The first item that we got was this little thing that is so cute that says no pore blem priming water. It's from Touch in Soul. It is toning water and essential oils. It is a 0.20 fluid ounces, which is a 6 milliliter, and it is made in Korea. The second item that I got is this pearlescent coconut oil and cranberry silk body butter. Smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin types. It is a 1.0 fluid ounces, which is 30 g. And this one is made in the USA. The next item that I got was this. It is a Douce, DOUCCE, Fierce and Fine graphic pen. And this is, let's see if I can get it open. This is a felt. You see the tip? See the tip? It's felt tip. It is an eyeliner. And it is, if I could read, it's a point tip fine eyeliner, and it is made in Germany. The next item that I got that was so pretty is this cute pink brush. It has like a pink ombre-ish a little bit. Here's the brush at the top, and it is by the brand, if you can kind of see, is called Pharaoh. What a cute brush. And that brush, this brush, it is a powder brush 50F. That is a cute brush. The last item that I got was this. It is called Ipsy Cosmetics Lip Gloss in 1.0, which is 3.1 G. Paraben free, cruelty free, and it is made in China. And let's open it up to see what we got inside. One second, everybody. What we got inside is a nice lip gloss, and it is a full-sized one, and it's by the brand called Ipsy, Laritzy Cosmetics, and it is in the color Curve, and it is a very beautiful color. It is really, really pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. When you open it up, it looks like this. This is a very nice, beautiful color, and yeah, it's very, very pretty. And I will go back and I will reread everything. So this is the Ipsy. Here's the Pharaoh brush. Here is the Dulce eyeliner. Here's the No Problem blush, and here is the Pearlescent Coconut and Oil Cranberry. Now the first one that I gave you was the Lars Lip Gloss, and that one is cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, made without parabens or phtalates. I can't pronounce that. So there's no harm to the animals. Then the Pearlescent is a lotion that draws gorgeous formula infused with coconut oil, hydrates, and coffee to energize the body, leaves the skin glowing and super soft. And the Dulce one, it's like a French wand, which means dulce means soft and elegant, and the Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water is a K-beauty product, and that one protects the skin and helps your makeup last longer and gives your skin vitality and smooth. And the Fair Brush is a powder brush 50F. This brand's known for luxe brushes that won't break the bank. You can use this bronzer and blush. This brush has super soft bristles that blend and smooth evenly. And this is what the bag looks like, everybody. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. And if you got anything different in your bag, let me know. And I'll put the description down below if you want to check out the website and order some yourself. Thank you and goodbye, and give it a smashing thumbs up.